We have with us Shankshow Mr. M, and in today's video we're going to unbox it. By the way, this is a very old cube, but we're covering some old cubes these days, like the RS 3M 2020 Worm 2019, and this one too. Alright, it's completely packed in a plastic sheet. I haven't opened it yet. How do I take it out? Alright, below we get to see some accessories, in which we have a screwdriver, which looks quite unique. There's a pamphlet. We also get to see extra stickers, a spring compressor, some extra springs, and apart from that, what's this down here? Now this, well, this is just some pamphlet or something. Oh, wait a second. This is actually a whole book, man, which has algorithms and stuff for the last layer written in it. Man, what is this? Anyway, we won't look at the box in so much detail right now. By the way, we've already looked at it in detail. Let's put this down, and in today's video, our aim will be to keep it uncut. No matter what kind of video is going on in the world, thank God the video is on. In today's video, we're going to keep it uncut. Alright, these first impressions feel to me just like I picked up the RS 3M 2020 stickered version. I'll add the video to the end screen for you to check out, but for now, stay here. It's lightweight. But first turns. It's very tight. In my opinion, it's really tight right now. Yeah. My first impression wasn't good because it was too tight. It's a spring compressor, but we're not going to play with the spring right now. I'm simply starting to increase the screw depth a little, not decrease it. If we increase it, we'll have center travel. Okay, I tried and just gave it one turn, not a full turn, just place the screwdriver. And as much as I can turn it, I'll turn it once. That's it. This is orange and blue and now red. Alright, let's see now. Has there been any improvement? Man, this doesn't even feel magnetic, to be honest. Even though there are magnets inside, if you guys can see. But man, what kind of cube is this? To be honest, I haven't enjoyed it at all so far. Maybe if we loosen it a bit more, let's try to make it better. In this video, we'll do as much as we can. If we can't, then that's fine too. Alright, orange and blue, yes. Finally, much better. And today, let's quickly put on the center caps. No, let's not do it quickly because the faster we try to do things, the slower the work actually gets. So let's do it calmly, and now, let's turn. Alright, first of all, there's a lot of improvement to see. The corner cuts have started happening, and I'm able to turn freely now. Obviously, it's gotten a bit looser, but let's set it up and then talk about it. So far, it's just fine. Nothing special, just a little. Not too much. Not too much, Hasnan, please. I don't know, even when I say it, I end up putting a little too much. There's just something in me. Let's just put the corner first. And now, just a little on the edges of the tracks, just this much here and this much there, here. I've put on just as much as needed. Weird 5, we're not going to put any more than this. Turns. And I think I've applied a really perfect quantity. This cube didn't deserve any more than this at all, because if I had put on more, it would have been a total mess. I just have to smooth it out a bit, and this is how it looks from the inside, from the core. Something is pressing on it, which is something I like. Stability, and I'll put a little bit of lube on its pieces. Yeah, you know it's jack-o'-lantern, man. Even its sound. From its sound, you can tell that it's not going to be off, even a little bit. I mean, you can figure it out just by its sound. I think the 2 drops are too big for now. Let's try turning it. There you go. Excellent. You can't get a better setup in this cube than this, man. This setup that I've come up with is just amazing. Oh, wow, wow, wow. I think we should try solving it once or twice, and if it feels a bit slow, we'll add some stardust to it. But for now, it's perfect for me. Let's start solving. Alright, I won't rush at all, buddy. Here, you guys can see how many problems I'm having while turning. I'll solve it one more time so the lube spreads a bit more, then after that we'll add Stardust to make it a bit faster. Alright, yes. I think I should just stay quiet because of how much I disliked this cube. It's better if I don't say much. Honestly, I don't recommend this cube at all. Yes, like someone who went to the market and found this there. He can easily buy this at any shop since he went there and bought it. It makes sense. But especially, man, clean this up, and on top of that, someone special orders this online and waits for it. This cube doesn't deserve it. RS3M 2020. I'm telling you, it's 100 times better. Yeah, alright, now let's solve this again, 2 or 3 solves, and then we'll end the video. You guys can like this video if you want to, alright then. I don't know what I'm doing, but I'm doing something. Like I said, I've never been able to do look ahead on a stickered cube in my life. I just can't find the pieces. I mean, my 13-second solve is proof that I can't do a stickered cube. The video is recording, right? I hope it doesn't turn out later that the video wasn't recording. Yeah, the video is recording, thank God. We'll do 2 more solves, end the video, and this way we'll complete our 5 solves. Man, the cube's setup and everything is done. It's really great, but if we compare it to cubes in this price range, when there's the RS3M, then why would anyone buy this one? I don't get it. Alright then. Are you watching this? I mean, first of all, I don't even feel that this is magnetic. If you do it slowly, you'll feel it. The strength of these magnets is so low, it's unbelievable. Anyway, we're about to solve our last one, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. After this, we'll do the outro with full energy, but right now, I think I should focus completely on solving it. But what is this cross, man? I just can't figure it out. I think there's only one technique possible here, that we solve this with a single rotation. That's it, and... $11.4. Alright, let's say we can solve this a bit better, according to this cube and my speed. Although the cross was pretty bad, just accept that. My turning is really good. I'm able to turn very accurately. Otherwise, this cube isn't capable of that. Anyway, as I said, I recently unboxed the RS3M 2020 stickered version. Go check it out and like, share, comment, and subscribe. Share it with 3 friends, man.